can I come in with my brothers? Sure. Alright, Millie. There's a dangerous villain lurking around New York. His name is the Plague Man, a.k.a. the Plague. You need to protect the Hero Hotel's laboratory and be the guard, okay? Don't fuck with me, okay?
Look what you made me live in, Millie. I'm no living with the rats. The disease of the plague got the best of Earth. I caused a huge plague upon Earth. All of human survival is on 0%. Now everyone is at 10-0% death. Every human on Earth died. If you want to see me, come and get me, because you humans are disgusting. As soon as I'm done with New York, I'll end it. Goodbye, and goodbye to New York. You're such a disease, Millie, a disease who likes to up everything. You absolute disgraceful, sucking parasite. I hope you're happy now. End of message. Next message. Your excuses won't work. Millie, you always like the humanculous parasite of a son that Dr. Dino Brains had. His is even that big. Compared to someone else with a higher tax budget, you are a lasting parasite. End of message number 2. Hello everyone, I'm Plague Man, and I'm coming for you.